Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Mzini from the 3rd to the 7th of August 2026 on Monday. Panyaza questions the motive behind his release. Oratile faces betrayal. Zakele clashes with a new police captain, and Shaka risk everything for love on Tuesday. Panyaza is released after 25 years and uncovers who secured his freedom, while Oratile discovers the dream killer true identity, and Mapefo pursues a risk new opportunity on Wednesday. Bandile's reunion plan for Panyaza and Duduzile unravel. Oratile exposes Junior, and Panyaza begins rebuilding his life in a changed world on Thursday. Duduzile grapples with a chilling warning as Bandile prepare Panyaza's return. Junior's betrayal threatens Shaka and Rorisang, while Panyaza's vow renewal plan risk disaster on Friday. Gogo Ongazi Wangegama, disturbing version encircles the vow renewal, while an unexpected gets spark chaos. Junior's missing ring and Letabo Olerato disappointing news add to the growing tension. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.